It's huge! Hey guys, my name is Vince and today I'm going to unbox the NOMADIK. So if you don't know what the NOMADIK is, this is actually a premier outdoor subscription box for adventurers. So basically, it's a well-curated box all about adventure gears depending on the season. Now let's open it. To be honest, I don't know what to expect, so I'm super excited to unbox this. Here we go. Ooh, nice packaging, huh? Oh, so there's a nomadic challenge. This is so nice because there's a challenge, so you will be forced to go out and do the challenge, which is nice, right? This is so nice because there are brand discounts and there's a ton of them. And here's what's inside the box, and they're providing tips for choosing a location. Are you guys ready? OMG! Oh, there's a lot! Can you guys see it? There's a lot in it. I just want to show you first what's inside the box. So first is this Ursa Major Essential Face Wipe. Next is Scratch Lab Sport Hydration Drink Mix, Strawberry Lemonade flavor. Next is, what is this? A sticker. Is it a sticker? I think it's a sticker, yeah. Go Explore sticker, nice. Next is Wrist Turtle Wrist Compass with closing cover. This is so fancy. Next is Mini Patches Mini Rustins. I've never seen anything like this before, but nice. Next is this, I know this brand, Vapor. Damn, I like it. This is a collapsible water bottle. So perfect when you're hiking and you want to drink on the go. Nice. I'm so excited to go out and hike. And lastly is this, what is this? So this is the Nomad Packable Backpack. So again, this is the Nomad Packable Backpack. What? It's huge! How in the world did it fit in here? I like it. See this? This is actually an actual backpack, guys. Amazing. I like it. For real. See? Nice. I'm about to cry. Okay, now I'm sold, guys. I love the NOMADIK. You know what? I've been wanting to start getting out into nature more, and now I have the motivation to go out. I don't have a lot of gear and I don't have a ton of money to start building up my own supplies, but now since there's this NOMADIK, I like it. And according to my research, the NOMADIK sends about $50 worth of rad outdoor gear for only about what, $30? That's actually a pretty good deal, right? Yeah, what else? And gear like this, it's actually, well, it's an actual backpack. Nice. It's unbelievable, but it is real. This is really lightweight and it's pretty big. Looks like I could fit a lot of stuff in here. I can't believe it was packed so tiny and now it looks so huge. Plus, I get all this other gear. This hike pack box is actually worth $64. Right now, their Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale is on. You can get this box to start your subscription for 20% off. And it's actually guaranteed to be delivered by December 24th. This is an amazing gift for your friends, family, or even yourself. So guys, I'm telling you, believe me, the NOMADIK box is totally amazing. This is a good deal, I swear. I guess that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, how I unboxed the NOMADIK. It's my first time, so I'm totally satisfied. I'll go ahead and better prepare for my next hike. Bye.